Hi, I'm Hanooman from Clearwall Technology, and today we'll be presenting quadcopters and drones. I'm a software consultant and artificial intelligence expert. I did my bachelor's in electrical and computer engineering at the University of the West Indies, and then I started a company called Clearwall Technologies in 2016. I did my master's in electronic information engineering at the Trinity College Dublin in Dublin. I am currently pursuing my PhD at Trinity College Dublin in electronic and electrical engineering. My PhD research is done with Google and YouTube. Let's talk about the importance of satellites. The US and Russia were both racing against each other to get the first man to land on the moon, and they had to develop satellites to get various information on how that is possible. And it pioneered the pathway to make that possible. From satellites, we get to the technology called Global Positioning Systems, also known as GPS. You probably see it on your phone. Basically, this was a military technology that was not for the use of the public, but in the year 2000, this restriction was lifted. This restriction being lifted paved the way for many technologies being used, such as GPS in your phone for tracking and Google Maps to know where you are. But specifically, we'll be talking about GPS in quadcopters. How does a GPS allow a drone to work? So, we have a drone right here. It's made by the company DJI, and this is a Phantom 3. There are 4 blades, as you can see, and they use a combination of the 4 motors and a onboard computer system to navigate. But this drone, to fly, has a lot of sensors. These sensors include an accelerometer, gyroscope, different ways of measuring the pitch and roll and yaw of the drone, and that's basically the angles it's actually at. But what we also need to know is where this is positioned on planet Earth. This helps with being able to navigate this within many different species, because you don't have to be an expert to fly this when you have GPS. You could do things like GPS lock, where you could have the drone locked in space, and no matter if someone pulls it, it will fly back because it knows its global positioning. Global positioning systems also allow drones to have programmed flight plans, so that the drone would fly in a flight plan such that you could have things like automated surveillance, automated mapping, and also you could have watering of crops. The amazing technology that automated flight plans have changed the way